storage bins, which are used for storage spare parts, any hardware item or any other thing like buttons, ICs, you can store it. These are open in the front. You can put your hand and take out the material very easily. There are 5-6 sizes which are prominently used in industries, like the bin 5, which is 7 inch in length, and the front is approximately 4 inches, the height is 3 inches. The next bin is crate 15, which is 8 inches in length, the front width is 5 inches and the height is 4 inches. You can understand that we have kept some calculator and mobile to understand the size. The crate 25 is 9 inches in length, the front width is of approximately 6 inches, the height is 5 inches. Crate 35, which is 1 foot in length, 8 inches in width, and the height is approximately again 5 to 6 inches. The bigger one is this gray one, is of crate 45, approximately 14 inches in the length, front width is 8 inches and height is again 8 inch. The biggest is bin 50S, which is 18 inch in length, 1 foot in width and 8 inches in the height. All bins are with slots for providing or for keeping any partition in it. You can use any cardboard to create any partition. This is one of the example. This is horizontal partition and this is the vertical partition. You can place it according to your need. These bins